Okay, so in 100, 200 and 500 rupees, we have the best car gadgets that will make you go, wow. Car gadgets that can save you punctures and even save your car from getting stolen, etc, etc, etc. And we have been personally using these gadgets for about 1 month, 2 months, some of them maybe 6 months. So this is Prateek, you're already watching TechWiser.
Let's go.
Yeah. So we'll start from the most affordable gadget and slowly move the price range. So if you have about like 100 and 150 rupees, you can get a pack of this car seat gap filler. These cost about 300 rupees for a pair. Now the problem with these loose pants are you keep dropping stuff from your pocket. Chillers, keys, smartphones, or the worst, French fries. So you can basically put these gap fillers like these. Your seat belt will come out like this. And now no matter how many coins I throw, it won't fall. It just jumps and goes back on the seat. But coins and chillers are small. What if something heavy falls on it? Well, Sayan, do you want to throw your smartphone at it?
Dude, this is a 1.5 lakh phone. I don't want to throw it at a 150 rupee gadget.
Testing cancelled, friends. The only thing is, if you have your bottle holder over here, this car seat gap filler comes in between, so you cannot properly put your bottle. Like, see, it stays like this way. Peda. The good thing is, these car seat gap fillers work in most of the cars, so 8 out of 10, recommended. Next up, we have this world's strongest magnet mobile holder. These cost about 200 for one of them. Now, usually car mobile holders are not good looking, but with this magnetic car mobile holder, you just have to paste it over here. And you get these small iron plates. You can either stick them on the back of the phone case, or you can just keep it between the phone and the case. And that's it, done. Now you just tap, boom. Voila! Balle, balle, balle. Now we'll do a more practical test over here. We have the iPhone on the magnet here, on the mobile holder. And there we have a speed breaker. And now Sayan will take the car in full speed over here. Not full speed, like follow safety, but a good speed. And we'll see if the phone falls or not. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, oh, oh.
Okay.
And the phone survives. Yeah. Indian roads approved. So we have been using this car mobile holder for about 2 to 3 months now. 9 out of 10, super recommended. It's super sleek, plus you can keep your phone in landscape or portrait mode as you like. Next up, we have this portable vacuum cleaner from Amazon. It costs about 1389 rupees and it has about 2.5 lakh rating on Amazon, which is crazy. First of all, it only runs on the 12-volt port of your car, so no USB, no built-in battery. But it has a lot of suction power. Well, how good it is in real life. So Sayan, you get to dirty this car. Finally, you can take revenge on Mrinal.
Yes!
Arey, so excited.
A few moments later.
Sayan, what if the oil stains don't come out? Dude, look at you, like 2-year-old children are better than you. You only had to dirty the car, not your face. Woo, nice. Dude, it's cleaning so well, I'm actually enjoying it. This has like really good suction power. And the good thing is, even if you tilt it this way or invert it, the dust doesn't fall off. So this is the dirty before of the car seat and this is after. And you get different extensions with it, like a brush extension or this longer extension where you can reach under the seats and all that interior stuff. And once you return home, you can easily disassemble this collection storage and all you have to do is remove this filter and dump. The only thing is the wire is very thin and of cheap quality. It gets hot very easily, so maybe in the future this wire can melt. However, 8 out of 10 recommended. It works really good, fits easily in the car, portable. Now, if you're on a long trip on a road like this, you need this. It costs about 1500 to 1600 rupees. And if you look at my boot space over here, it's a mess. Oh shit, there's a head. Sorry, cut.
Whom did you kill?
So basically, you can expand this storage box and it neatly fits everything. You have bottle holders. Also, if you are that organizing freak, you get partitions to make this more organized. And now it looks even more neat. Also, it takes up far less space. And the best thing is the bottom surface is anti-skid. So see, if I try to move it or pick it up, there's resistance. So because of this anti-skid surface, while you're driving the car, the things don't spill over from the bag and remain at the same place. So this is the before and after, and it makes a huge difference. So if you're that organizing freak, 9 out of 10, super recommended. Next up, this particular gadget is a lifesaver. This is a solar powered TPM. It costs about 2000 rupees and you get these small sensor for all 4 tires. You have to fit them in the tire valve, and this display shows you the exact tire pressure on all the 4 tires, and it even alerts you if your tire pressure is low.
We are right tire low pressure.
Now in case you don't know, if you ride your car with low pressure, it might lead to punctures, and that puncture could cost you up to 500 rupees, of course, depending on the damage. Also, this thing charges via Type-C port, but as you can see here, it also has small solar panel. Now we have been using this tire pressure monitor for about 2 months now, and if you see, the battery is still 100%. So automatically charges itself. Just make sure that the solar panel is facing outside. Obviously. Now the only concern is this tire pressure monitor have an anti-theft mechanism, so you can tighten it this way and you see it doesn't remove now. So you have to carry this wrench everywhere and then remove the washer and then fill in air. So small hassle but big savings. 9 out of 10, super recommended. Now even after you know that your car tire has less air pressure, some people like this guy won't fill air because they can't find a petrol pump. So you get this Cubo portable tire inflator. It costs about 2700 rupees, and this is from the Hero company. That Hero, Desh ki Dhadkan. So this tire inflator can basically wirelessly inflate the tires, 0 cables. So you have car mode, bike mode, cycle mode, football mode, human mode. What we need to inflate humans?
Dude, that's user-defined mode.
That was so dumb. User-defined mode. Now let's fill it up. It does take some time and it's also noisy. And the tire inflator automatically stops at the set PSI. And you can see even the tire pressure monitor shows 31, which is about the same as the tire inflator. It charges via Type-C and you can fill up 7 to 8 car tires. Very useful in emergency situations. 9 out of 10 recommended. And finally we have this DDPI dash cam. DDPAI sounds funny. Now we bought the dash cam for about 3500 rupees. Currently it sells for 3700 rupees on Amazon. Now in case you don't know, dash cam is like a security camera for your car. So it's like if you didn't cross the red signal or if you didn't hit someone's car, then you have video proof to show it to the police or the people. Now we have been using this dash cam for about 1 year now and it works really well in this hot Indian weather, and I would recommend it for 2 reasons. Number 1, this dashcam installation requires no wire cutting, nothing, and it only turns on when you turn on the car. And now you just have to connect your smartphone to the dashcam Wi-Fi, download the DDPI app, and you can see real-time footage, no lag. And you can instantly download a portion of the footage if you want. Just select the part that you want and save to the gallery. Number 2, the footage quality is very good. It's stable. Like even if you zoom in on the footage, you can clearly see cars' numbers. You cannot see people's faces, but you can see the color of their clothes. So if an orange t-shirt guy just hit your car, you can make out that it's the same orange t-shirt guy. And in fact, even at night, the footage is usable. You can see car's number. The night footage is meh, which is what you get for the price. Also, the dashcam has crash detection. See these red dots on the timeline? The dashcam automatically detects accidents or too much shaking. So you can easily visit that timestamp to download the footage. The dashcam also supports 24-hour monitoring, but then you'll have to put it in low-powered parking mode and it has to connect to the car's battery, which is wire cutting and all of that. So if you need a simple, sweet budget dashcam, 7 out of 10, this is recommended. So we tried some different sort of gadgets this time around. Personally, I'm planning to buy an EV. Take all the guesses in the comments and let us know if you want to see that type of content, EV stuff and all.
Are you buying an e-rickshaw?
For me and 6 others. On that note, this is Pradeep signing off. See you in the next video. Pew, pew, pew.